Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's see which animal we crochet. This is goat, the Zodiac Chinese the amigurumi. That's inside the crochet the amigurumi for Zodiac's animals in my collection of 2021. You can find on the pattern freeze on my website or the premium pattern with step-by-step photo tutorial plus the exclusive birthday card in on my shop. Or join my membership program for access on 12 Amigurumi Crochet the Zodiac animal. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channels and turn on the bell for further updates. For the Chinese Zodiac goat amigurumi, we can use the DK yarn in blue and gray. This the project I use the double strength of 1mm cotton yarn, but you can use the normal DK yarn, or if you use the 1mm yarn like me, you can learn how to crochet double strength from one yarn ball in my tutorial. We also use the 7mm safety eyes, 1.5mm hooks, and some stuffing. To make the crochet the amigurumi Zodiac goat inside the Zodiac animal collection, we follow the same body, head, and arms like the Zodiac mouse. That I released the pattern on in January. For the year, we do the same with the horse, like 8 double crochets in marriage string, and the second in increase 8 times half double crochet. Let's crochet the horn. Congratulations, you have finished the Zodiac Goat, the Chinese zodiac signs for people in August or born in goat years. This will be the perfect birthday gift for them. If you would like to crochet the other zodiac animals, amigurumi inside the collection, Chinese the zodiac signs, the amigurumis, or the Greek zodiac signs, the princess door collection, you can find in all my shop or in the my crochet house with the exclusive birthday cards for all of them. See you again.